This is the 68-inch window washing kit with extension pole, a practical tool designed to make window cleaning easier and more convenient. The kit includes a window squeegee and an extension pole that helps you reach higher windows without needing to constantly move a ladder around. It's great for outdoor windows, tall glass panels, shower doors, and even car windshields. One thing I like about this setup is the long handle design. It gives you extra reach for second-story windows or large glass surfaces, while still feeling lightweight and easy to control. The squeegee blade helps remove water, dust, and streaks for a cleaner finish on glass surfaces. It's also versatile enough for different cleaning tasks around the house. You can use it on shower glass doors to clear away water spots, on mirrors, patio doors, or even for quick windshield cleaning on larger vehicles. The handle sections are easy to assemble,